What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at Epic Fireworks 500 gram 35 shot cake called Zombie Outbreak. Now this is my first 500 gram by Epic Fireworks that I get to shoot. Definitely intrigued to try it out. We got faces, sides towards audience for panoramic effect, so we know we got some angled shots in here just by the cake construction. You can kind of see it's built for that. Performance is right here up on front. So we have red, white, blue color palms or brocades with colors, strobes, or crackling, all with red strobe mine. All right, so some nice red, white, and blue effects with different style of breaks. So I'm definitely intrigued by that. Looks like we got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows of 5, which obviously makes 35 shots. Fuses up here on the front. See the tubes. Those are 3/4 of an inch inside diameter. Let's see what the burn time is. I think it shows it up front. Yep, here we go. So 35 shots, 500 grams, 27 seconds. So if we're looking at 7 volleys, that's roughly about every 2 to 3 seconds we will have a volley of 5 shots. So hopefully you guys have shot some epic fireworks in your experience. Let me know if you guys have ever shot this cake and if you liked it or not, or if you ever shot any of the Epic Fireworks firework brand products, because I want to know what you guys think of them. So far I've been really liking their brand because I haven't had anything bad from them yet, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think it's time we jump straight in the demo. So Pyros, let's go ahead and see what this Epic Firework 500 gram 35 shot cake called Zombie Outbreak looks like. I hope you Pyros enjoy. For now, I will see you Pyros this Friday with another demo video.